Hi guys and welcome to Fork and Allotment. I'm Chris and this is allotment jobs for November. So what can we be doing this month? Well, mainly we'll be digging over, incorporating manure into the ground. That's a good idea to do this time of year. And also if you want to do a runner bean trench, then you can also do that also. I do mention about doing that and explain how to do that in my October video. If you want to go and watch that, I will put a link somewhere for that. Maybe up here somewhere. So what else can we do? We can be pruning our fruit bushes. Black currants, red currants, white currants and gooseberries can be pruned any time between November and March. Prune out any dead, dying or diseased wood. Also, we can cut down our autumn fruiting raspberries. Autumn fruiting raspberries bear fruit on new wood. So we want to cut down the old canes to the ground. And that's a good idea to do anything like that again between November and March. Net your brassicas. Birds are hungry at this time of year. So it's a good idea to net your brassicas so that the birds can't get to them. Also make sure that the tops are tight over the top and not touching your brassicas, because the birds will peck through the netting and try and get to your brassicas. Stake your Brussels sprouts, because you don't want your Brussels sprouts to be affected by wind rock, which will actually break the tiny little hairs on the roots, which can cause your sprouts to blow. Also, a good idea now is to take hardwood cuttings of your fruit bushes. Taking cuttings now will give you a decent sized plant in a few years' time. Also, a good idea is to, if you have one, is to clean your glass on your greenhouse or polytunnel, glass or plastic on the greenhouse or polytunnel, pretty much so it's ready for springtime. Because in January we'll start growing things like tomatoes and peppers and stuff like that. So we want to be getting our glass as clear as possible so that we can actually get the stuff going in there, and it's going to get as much light as possible early on so that it can actually get a good growing. But yeah, I think other than that, guys, I think that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for this video. As I say, please do like, comment and subscribe. Please do visit my social media, which is up the top here on my banner. Also, please do visit Sow Seeds, which are also up there if you want to get any seeds for next year, or even for this year. There's still stuff you can be growing, as I've said before. And please do visit ePots. It's e-pots.co.uk. I will put a link down below to their products that I have done. I did an unboxing video on, and I will also put a link to that unboxing video somewhere. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for joining me today. This is only a short video, but thank you very much. And please, as I say, do like, comment and subscribe, and please do visit my social media. Thank you, and see you all in the next video.